story. Really bad brakes. Yep. See if you have meat in there. I don't think we have meat in there. This one is not twisted at all. So whoever did the other one, well, probably need some recommendations. Oh yeah, look at that. They got a torn boot here. Yep. Got a torn boot. So, yep. And now we have to compress the caliper. So it's just going to this is there. Big screwdriver and pry it. It's gonna be hard too, so got it to stick in the slot in there. And slowly pry it. Gap now. Yep. Yeah, we got the gap now. I'm using a number 7 socket. Remove the cap cover. Then we're gonna put it here and loosen it. Yep. Shouldn't be that tight. This one too. Here. From here, you can do it by hand. Maybe. So the right side is also almost done. Yep. Now to remove the bracket, you get two 18mm bolts here. This side and this side. Yeah, these have the red Loctite, so they're not easy to take out even with an impact. Okay, bracket is out. And the last one is the 10mm bolts over here. And this one is good to go. Well, it's too rusty, so broke the bolt. So I'm trying to compress the, I mean, uncompress the caliper. So let's see. Yep. There you go. It's a large gap now. So put in a large screwdriver here and pull out so that the caliper will be uncompressed. Try this out with a large screwdriver in here, and I got like cowboys in this one. Okay, getting one of the caliper bracket with the number 7 hex socket. There's 2 of them, and there's the cover. Tie up the cover. Oh, look what I found. Awesome job. Awesome job by the mechanic. This is what you call a nut on the brake line. Wow. Man. Oh, this is really a good job. Got the cable entangled now. And yep. Probably a month of driving and they're gone. And this one too. Yeah, probably this is like 2 months. Hopefully it didn't leak at all. I'm gonna put that stuff over there and take the bracket. Yep. Yeah, this bracket is like this one and this one, and then we can pick up the rotor. There's like a 10 mm bolt that holds it. Yeah, these brackets were being held by a red Loctite, and this like my impact is really like having an exercise taking them out. So got that out. Yeah, I have to move the I have to move it a little bit so that I have more space in here for my impact. Without it, yeah, this is gonna be like a bear to take out. Yep. Bolt removed, and it's gonna be tough to take out. All it needs is a big freaking hammer.